Hello viewers, welcome to another interesting topic called website authoring. Your presenter is Kodek Teye Olwali. Now in this chapter, you learn how to define and use HTML tags, use a text editor to create a web page, align and enhance text, set font sizes using absolute and relative value, create numbered, bulleted and nested lists, apply color to text and backgrounds, open a web page in a new window, design and create a page layout using tables, create and format tables including header, footer and body sections, manipulate an image in a graphics package, create a hyperlink from an image. So as an introduction, let's look at the definition and use of HTML tags. What is a website? This is simply a collection of web pages that are related and are usually stored together and hosted by a web server. When designing a website, we normally use HTML, Microsoft ASP, Microsoft Systems, and Java. HTML abbreviation stands for Hypertext Markup Language. For you to be able to manipulate these codes, you need to use a text editor like Notepad, or you can as well use Macromedia Dreamweaver. Now, how do you use a text editor? Like, for example, a Notepad. You just go to all programs, accessories, and then you select Notepad, and you're good to go. The screen that is appearing here, you can be able to see. You save your text editor in a folder in a location that you'll be able to locate, because you'll be referring to this text editor all the time whenever you want to change your web page. On the right hand side, you have an example of a web page, the Gilbert School. HTML tags are shown using angle brackets around them like this, and the angle brackets tell the browser that this is a markup tag and not text to be placed on the web page. The browser does not display the HTML tags but uses the tags to display the content of the page. Again, each web page will have two clearly defined sections, the opening tag and the closing tag. So note that. So an example of HTML codes that have opening and closing tags are what you're seeing on your screen. You have HTML as an opening tag and HTML as a closing tag. You also have the head as an opening tag and the head as the closing tag. Same applies to title and the body. How do we align and enhance text? Alignment is whereby we try to make the text appear good to our expectation. You can use paragraph, the tags P for paragraph, or heading for H1 up to H6. An example of HTML codes are what you are seeing on your screen. We have the HTML opening tag and the closing tag, the head, opening and the closing, the body, and so on and so forth. So when you run this is what you're going to see. The codes, as you can see, are on the left hand side of your screen, and the web page as displayed on the right hand side of your screen. As you can see, the enhancement of the text, we have the bold as heading 1, heading 2 is somehow small, heading 3 in that order until the smaller heading, which is heading 6. We can also set font sizes according to our needs. When you run that, you'll be able to see how the font sizes appear. The bold, the second line that is big in size and bold, the font size is bigger. Also, we have different font size styles like bold, italic, hypertext, and superscript and subscript. As well, we can also align the text like left alignment, center alignment, right, justify, and so on. An example of HTML codes that uses HTML alignment codes is here. So when you run the codes, this is what you're going to get. As you can see, the title has been aligned at the center. The first line has been aligned on the left hand side, and the next line that is following that reads text can be enhanced in different ways has been aligned on the right hand side. And then the body, the information in the body has been left aligned. We can also work with lists. We have ordered lists and unordered lists. Remember, an ordered list don't follow any particular order, but ordered lists follow a particular order like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. A, B, C, D, and so on and so forth. An example of numbered lists is what you are seeing. On the left hand side, we have the web page that has been displayed. On the right hand side, we have the codes. When run, will produce that web page. We also have bulleted lists. You can see on your screen. You can as well work with the color. There are different colors, and many of them can be used to enhance the appearance of your web page. What you need to understand is just learn the small codes. We did not to understand everything, and you'll be good to go. An example of the codes working with color are as follows. On the right hand side, that's a web page that has been displayed with different colors. You have red, you have yellow, you have blue, dark blue, you have black, and the background of the web page is white. And on the left hand side, we have the codes. You can as well place an image in our website. The choice is yours, whether at the bottom, at the center, at the left side, right side, and so on. As you can see, we have an example of the codes there. Up to there, I want to thank you for listening to me. Until next time, bye-bye.